The government has to prepare a proper ecosystem and conducive to the people who are talented and are very innovative as well as entrepreneurs. Industries has to come forward for innovations by putting some anchor industries here. ನಾವು ಎಷ್ಟೇ ಎಕೋಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಕೂಡ ಆಂಕರ್ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ಬಡದಿದ್ರೆ the growth will not be as expected. What we speak should be seen also.
That the state of Karnataka will be the leader for the entire world. We need to be the leaders for the entire world, not for the country. We are not aspiring or competing with any of the states. This is something, a comfort zone for the industry to look up and interact. This will be your own place. You don't have to think somebody else is there in the government. We need to reach out. So we'll be part of the government through KDM. We'll all be part of the government. So KDM will be a big facilitator between the government and the industry.
Karnataka Digital Economy Mission. This is one of the very important experiments by us, and it has proven successful. We have announced a scheme of special incentives for ESDM sector, and about a year back we have also announced engineering research and development policy, and there also we have given focus for towns other than Bangalore to grow. Some of the incentives under ER&D policy include rental reimbursement, recruitment assistance and investment subsidy.
Karnataka contributes more than 30%, 35% on the overall IT exports, and we need to sustain that growth, not just sustain. Karnataka is right now at the $245 billion, poised to grow to the $500 billion, contributing to the 5 trillion target economy that our Prime Minister has set. The KDM plan, Karnataka Digital Economy Mission plan, has come with an objective that the industry would work with the government much closer. It will act like a bridge. There are 5 pillars in the KDM. Number 1 is the IT products and services, BPM and GCCs. Number 2 is startups and innovation. Number 3, the electronic systems and design and manufacturing. And the third, very important, is the talent academy. Cutting across all that beyond Bangalore is a new slogan that we started.
The startup and innovation component of KDM will be the glue. It is going to be something that synergizes all the verticals. It is also something that binds all the vertical. If you look at every aspect of innovation, whether it's corporate innovation, startup innovation, rural innovation, all those are going to drive the next 10 million jobs in our state.
There has been utmost importance given by our government in building this and strengthening the technological ecosystem across the state. One of our goals in the Karnataka IT Policy 2020 is to boost the IT penetration and innovation and achieve in generation of 60 plus direct and indirect jobs across the state during the policy period.
KDM is a great initiative. An initiative by the industry, for the industry, supported by Government of Karnataka. Government of Karnataka policies are fantastic while attracting the investments. For example, ERD policy, IT policy, startup policy, ESDM policy, and amazing benefits for the industry. Industry can avail these benefits, set up their operations in Karnataka and grow the businesses, create employment opportunities, and make a brand of Karnataka grow up.